First step. Power off your phone. Second step. Pindutin ng sabayan. Volume up, power on or off, and home until it on. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click notification bell. Sa paghahanap, kung alin ang pipindutin, gamitin ang volume up or volume down. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click notification bell. Third steps. Gamitin ang volume down. At piliin ang wipe data or factory reset. Then, pindutin ang power on or off. Pindutin ang volume down to go yes. Then, pindutin ang power on or off. Last steps. Select reboot system now. Then, pindutin ang power on or off. Thank you for watching.